Gravitational balance nominal. Anchor secure. Beam intensity to prevent fragmentation.
Full control maintained at incredible speed. Drones firing. Trajectory is shifting. Confirmed. AI sim shows forward vector. Hold steady. Monitoring for anomalies.
Initiate high-pressure jets on the primary drilled opening. Debris extraction robots proceed with suction and collection.
Particle levels are optimal. Surfaces are ready for the next phase. Deploy robots. Target column bases, levels 1 to 3.
Monitors active. Load is stabilizing.
Good. Proceed to level connectors.
Fusion units aligned. Begin solar array deployment. Wiring confirmed. Energy levels stable.
Initiate oxygen regulators. Lock it at 21%. Good. Now air circulation. Set fans stabilizing. Lifting arm engaged. Server aligning. Cables connecting. AI core online. Processing active.
Ring integrity at 90%. Synchronizing now. Confirmed. Drones are locking segments. Rotation stable. Energy and navigation online. Testing observation links. All systems green. We have full control.
Patrol sequence initiated. Interior ready.
Exterior deploying. Jets active.
Initiate rotation test.
Securing heavy component.
Rotation at full speed. Stable. Purity levels are optimal. All clear.
Initiating full activation sequence.
Energy flow is stable. Lighting is coming online. Robot systems are green.
Boosters active. Signal strength is optimal. Link to Earth and satellites is instantaneous.
Initiating full system synchronization.
Connecting energy, climate, observation, and navigation.
Final stress test initiated. Monitor for impacts.
Confirm. Stability holding at
8%.
We've done it! The observatory is fully operational and scanning. Look at that data stream!
Initiate advanced expansion. Cut deeper.
Drones are clearing the path.
Good. Keep the workspace clean. Align the panels precisely. Pressure stability is key.
Copy. Panels are secure.
Initiate welding sequence. Levels are dropping. Confirming clearance.
Confirmed. All systems green.
Navigation system linked.
Thrusters online. Locking sequence initiated.
Confirmed. Orbital sync secured.
Initiating installation. Syncing processors. AI core online. Full analysis active.
Activating artificial atmosphere systems.
Oxygen levels are stabilizing. Robotic sensors are adjusting pressure and airflow.
All systems synchronized. Test commencing.
Telescopes rotating at optimal speed. Data streams flowing. Energy stable.
Alignment complete. Telescopes are tracking. Readings are stable. No anomalies. Good. Monitor for any changes. Begin installation of the first level. Panel aligned. Lock it in. Good. Move to the next segment. Thruster mounted. Calibrating direction. Adjusting force output. Maintaining orbit.
Panels deploying to all levels now. Confirmed. Energy output is illuminated. Great work. Panel alignment is spot on.
Sealing the joints now.
Confirmed. Pressure holding steady.
Pipelines are secure. Initiate thermal.
Steady. Monitoring for anomalies.
All systems green. Optimal temperature achieved. Robotic arms. Lower the processors and storage.
In position. Ready to connect cables.
Good. Install and lock them down.
Deploying robots to reinforce all joints. Applying advanced materials for long-term durability. Initiating synchronized system test. Lighting, energy, climate, transport, activate. All green. Test successful. Initiate full observational calibration.
Telescopes rotating and focusing. Data streams are flowing.
Monitor for signal lock.
Emitters deployed. Syncing now. Synchronized. Barriers forming.
Initiate the final polishing sequence.
Units are calibrated and active.
Excellent. Monitor the reflection index.
Arms are installing the modules now. Configuring for real-time data collection. Initiating high-speed activation.
Antennas aligning to Earth and deep space.
Link established. Strong and stable. Pods are at full speed. Monitoring efficiency. Safety thresholds green. No anomalies. Next section clear. Keep monitoring. Initiating full atmospheric balance test. Adjusting oxygen systems.
Confirmed. Metrics nominal.
Deploying lenses. Extend outward. Calibrating focus. Locking in. Enhancements complete. Ready for galaxies. Initiate full system synchronization.
All subsystems are active and synchronizing.
Confirmed. Simulation active. Leak confirmed.
Robotics deploying. Sealing now.
Systems green. Containment complete. All clear. All systems green. Running flawlessly.
Confirmed. No anomalies detected.
Propulsion systems active. Testing maneuverability. Controlled bursts initiating. Orbit definite ready.
Finalizing the systems report.
All departments are optimal.
Performance metrics are stable. Project is finalized. The Meteor is now our fully functional observatory.
The data streams are stable and flowing perfectly.
A triumph of engineering.